So my dad just had shoulder surgery,
Yeah,
rotator
dude.
cuff, and we bought this ice pack. It has come in so clutch. It was kind of hard to see because of the black color, but I'm going to show you the underside has these cubes that just lay over and it just molds to his shoulder. He's not even like wrapping it the way you're supposed to. He literally is just laying on it. So go ahead and sit forward again.
Yeah, you don't have to use the Velcro straps. It just lays on there so nice. It's got weight to it. It's so comforting. I could not sleep last night if it wasn't for this ice pack right here.
Oh, no way. Yeah,
The pain has been 1 or 2 the whole time. Till last night I did my exercises. Oh my goodness. Without this ice pack, I finally put the ice pack on because I left it out and I forgot. I'm going to buy 2 and order another one.
yes. So we can easily switch back and forth. There's always going to be one that's cold.
But this thing, when I look back at my total knee replacement, there were certain things that I had to have that were game changers. This is game changer. Do not go through surgery without this ice pack.
Goes all the way down his arm, and he's
Yeah.
a big guy, and it's covering a lot of real estate.
I'm
all the
sure
way
I
down his
ordered
chest.
It was probably a small and then a large.
Yeah, you ordered the large, I
The
think.
large. I'm
Yeah.
6'2", about 200 pounds. So.
Yeah, and so this is the sling part, so the ice pack ends right here.
Yeah.
But it is. Some people are bothered by the weight, but a lot of
No,
people.
it's very comforting. The weight pulls it. It's like a spider. It just grabs onto you. Not grabs, but holds onto you and catches all the places it needs to be. Quit looking at other things. This is the one you want. I just had surgery, so this is the real life thing going on right now. Get this one.